Hi, welcome to our channel of IGNOU audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University. School of Agriculture, SOA Awareness Program on Value-Added Products from Fruits and Vegetables, APVPFV NPV 001. Module-5 Quality Assurance. 1.0 Introduction. A farmer always wants to have a good price for his produce. He can get a good price only if he gets a good crop. What is a good crop? A good crop for farmer means a crop which gives high yield and the produce is attractive in color, uniform in shape and size, and most important, free of diseases. In other words, it is a quality crop. Produce. A food processor also wants good quality produce to make quality products. Quality product for a producer means a product of uniform composition, with good flavor and texture, stability, safety and packaging in relation to cost. Quality raw material, clean hygienic practices and standard system of processing results in a quality produce. In the present module we will study in detail about quality. 2.0 Objectives. By reading this module you will be able to understand meaning of quality, parameters of quality and their evaluation, and total quality management, HACCP and ISO. 3.0 What is quality? Let us first of all find out what quality is. Look to the set of pictures in Figure 1 and identify which set of vegetables and fruits you would like to purchase. I am sure you will like to purchase the vegetables and fruits in the set A. The reason being that they are uniform in size, green in color and look fresh. These characters will help us to define quality. Quality, it is defined as those set of characters of a product that fulfill the needs of the consumer. These characters can be attractive color, red, green, pleasing flavor and firm texture. Quality assurance, it can be defined as a series of planned actions necessary to provide the customer with product that they expect. 3.1 Parameters of quality. There are 3 parameters of quality. 1. External, appearance, feel, free of defects. 2. Internal, odor, taste, texture. 3. Hidden, wholesomeness, nutritive value and safety. Now let's take e.g. of citrus fruit and describe its external quality. 1. External quality of citrus. Fruits should be intact, free of bruising and or extensive healed over cuts. Sound, no cracks, bruises, sun scald etc. Clean, practically free of any visible foreign matter. Practically free from pests. Practically free from damage caused by pests. Free of signs of internal shriveling. Free of damage caused by low temperature or frost. Free of all abnormal external moisture. 2. Internal quality of citrus fruits. Free of any foreign smell and or taste. Should be sweet and sour to taste. 3. Hidden quality. Total soluble solids, TSS acidity. Vitamin C. Vitamin A content. Now let's take one more example, say tomato, and define its external, internal and hidden quality. 1. External quality. Shape, round/globe/flattened. Absence of blossom and scar and growth cracks. Uniform color, orange-red to deep red, light yellow. No green shoulders. 2. Internal quality. Free of any foreign smell and or taste. Firm and presses when pressed with hand pressure. Not soft and easily deformed due to an overripe condition. Number of seeds in cavity. 3. Hidden quality. Total soluble solids, acidity, vitamin C, vitamin A content. 3.2 Quality evaluation. Quality evaluation means methods which help you to judge quality. You can judge quality by 2 methods. I. Sensory methods. 2. Objective methods. I. Sensory methods. Often we take the help of our sense organs to judge the quality. Various sensory parameters are appearance, color, taste and aroma, flavor, and texture. We can see the fruits and vegetables and can describe their color as green or red, etc. by simply looking. We can identify and say whether they are fresh or not. We can smell the fruity flavor through our nose. 2. Objective methods. You can also measure color, flavor, texture and nutritive quality with help of instrument. However, sensory method is the best method for judging the quality. 3.3 Quality control systems. To maintain quality of fresh and processed food, food companies often take the help of a system. This system is called quality control system or quality assurance. This system gives them guidelines or suggestions to maintain and improve quality and attempts to stop errors happening in the process, allowing it to be right first time. These set of systems include TQMA, ISO 9000, HACCP, GAPS and GMPs. More specifically, food processing companies take the help of HACCP or Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point to guide them to produce quality produce. 3.3.1 TQMA Total Quality Management. Total quality management is a description of the culture, attitude and organization of a company that strives to provide customers with products and services that satisfy their needs. The culture requires quality in all aspects of the company's operations, with processes being done right the first time and defects and waste eradicated from operations. 3.3.2 ISO 9000 Standards. International Organization for Standardization is a non-government organization which has laid down standards that reduce consumer concerns and provide tools for the promotion of food trade. ISO 9001 to 2000 is the latest quality management system. Benefits of ISO certification. 1. Improved efficiency through both documentation and communication. 2. Improved consistency of manufactured items. 3. Reduction in amount of rework and non-conforming product. 4. Improved customer satisfaction. 5. Improved motivation and employee involvement through all levels of process. 6. Reduced customer complaints. 3.3.3 HACCP Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point. HACCP is a powerful food quality management system. It looks for what could go wrong regarding safety in foods through hazard identification. It also helps to define the methods to control the hazards. Quality control involves everyone in food factory. It is not one man's job but everybody. It is a teamwork and involves everyone including supplier, food handler and processor. Benefits of Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point. HACCP 1. Guarantee production of safe food. 2. Prevents and/or minimizes hazards. 3. Saves money. HACCP is important to ensure food safety and safeguard the health of consumers. Often you come across cases of food poisoning by drinking fermented or unpasteurized juice. This happens because food safety is not assured in foods sold open near road sides. HACCP ensures food safety in food processing units. HACCP can be implemented if good agricultural practices, GAPS, and good manufacturing practices, GMPs, are followed. 3.3.4 GAPS Good agricultural practices. GAPS refers to use of good quality plant materials/seeds, good irrigation and clean cultivation practices. Crop will be good and free of diseases. Figure 4. If standard package of practices are followed. On the other hand, if poor practices, crop produce will be poor and diseased. 3.3.5 GMPs Good manufacturing practices. GMPs maintain quality and ensure food safety during processing. Let us see some. GMPs, followed in food processing units for effective implementation of HACCP. 1. Maintaining personnel hygiene. 2. Factory premises and 3. Raw material and material handling. 1. Personnel hygiene. Hands should be clean at all times. Use soap to wash hands and maintain cleanliness. Employees must wash hands with water. Always use hand gloves and aprons. Men should be clean shaven. No beard or long hairs are allowed. Women and men should wear caps to hold their hair. 2. Factory premises. Floor of factory should be kept clean and dry at all times as they are potential source of dirt, which can contaminate food. They should be washed at the end of the day and mopped dry, ready for a clean operation the next day. Walls and ceilings should also be properly cleaned, otherwise loose dirt from their surfaces will be constant source of contamination. Drains in the premises should be kept clean and free from chalkage at all times. They will then attract pests or give rise to offensive odors. Proper ventilation of the building should be maintained. This is to eliminate condensation which may drip and contaminate food. It will also prevent mold and bacterial growth. Chimneys can be used. 3. Raw materials and material handling. Keep raw materials in proper containers. Raw materials should not be put on floors as this can cause contamination. Raw material should be checked for presence of insects, infestation, and other contamination. Where there is evidence of infestation and contamination, raw material should be rejected. This is to prevent infestation and contamination of other food in the store. Do not store products, supplies, or equipment under conditions not in keeping with good sanitary practices. Never leave tools on production lines, conveyor, or packaging equipment. Always return tools and accessory items to their proper place. 3.4 A HACCP plan for sauerkraut. An example. Here we will take an example of sauerkraut and explain you how HACCP is followed and implemented in factories. Step 1. Describe the product. In this case, sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is a fermented cabbage product containing shredded cabbage, salt 3%, and mustard 1.5%. Step 2. Make a flowchart of preparatory method. Flowchart for the preparation of sauerkraut. Select good cabbage heads. Remove outer leaves of cabbage and cut cabbage heads finely into shreds. To the shredded cabbage, add 3.0% salt and 1.5% mustard powder. Fill in the glass jars of wide mouth and seal them properly. Shake the whole mass daily up to 2 weeks. Fermented product is ready to use as vegetable, salad, soup, pickle, etc. Step 3. Quality control. HACCP in sauerkraut. Look at the screen. Step 4. Important controls. 1. Time period required for fermentation, 1 to 2 weeks. 2. Temperature required for fermentation, 25-32 C. Step 5. Hazards. 1. Microbial hazard, microorganisms. 2. Physical hazard, hair strands, impurities in spices, paper, cigarette ends. 3. Chemical hazard, salts in hard water, other impurities in salt and spices. Step 6. Measures to control hazards. To control hazards effectively, we should try to follow all the good manufacturing practices. E.g., in the case of sauerkraut, we should strictly follow the following. 1. Careful washing before shredding the cabbage. 2. Use potable water for washing. 3. Sterilize the knives and clean the shredded thoroughly before use. 4. Working table should be clean. 5. Sterilized glass jars should be used for packaging. 6. The jars should be airtight. 4.0 Let us sum up. Quality is the sum total of parameters of a product that fulfill the needs of the consumer. You can evaluate quality with the help of objective and sensory methods. HACCP, Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, is a powerful system to maintain quality and ensure food safety in processed products. GAPs and GMPs are prerequisite for implementing HACCP. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video with the next chapter.